Hi nail fam, I hope that you're well. Back again with a nail collab today. I will be collaborating with Babygirlnails. I will have her Instagram as well as her YouTube channel up on the screen. If you aren't already, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and hop on over to her channel. So I have my 3XL press-on nails on this little nail stand, and I've already applied some acetone to these nails just to give them a buffing. And now I'm going to show you all of the gel polishes that I will be using. So I have my Madam Glam base and top coat here, and I'm going to be using a combination of different colors to create this amethyst Zodiac inspired nail set for all the Aquarius ladies out there. So Vida Loca is that beautiful purple, Shagadelic is that beautiful jelly kind of red color, Bubblegum is a really nice soft pink color, and then I also grabbed Pivot, which is my favorite nude color so far, and then I have the Change. I don't actually use the Change, which is this beautiful kind of rose glitter gel polish. I just have it here just in case I needed to use it. So now we are going to get started on designing these press-on nails. And first thing I'm going to do is apply a layer of base gel over all of these nails and then cure them under my UV lamp for 60 seconds. So now that all the nails have been cured under the UV lamp, I'm now going to go ahead and apply my first gel polish color to these nails. So some of the nails are going to be painted with this Pivot nude, kind of neutral brownish kind of color. And then some of the nails will have purple, which is that Vida Loca beautiful creamy light purple color. So I'm going to get started with a thin layer over the thumb, the middle finger, and the pinky with this Pivot. So I did go ahead and cure those 3 nails under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply the purple gel polish to the index as well as the ring finger. Once I have the gel polish on, then I will also cure these 2 nails for an additional 60 seconds. Right, so here is how all of the nails are looking with just 1 coat of those gel polishes. And now I'm going to go ahead and create the marble kind of design that I want for the actual amethyst crystal. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some base gel onto my little palette here. And then I'm going to go in with each one of these gel polishes except the brown nude one, Pivot. And we're going to just place them on top of the base gel. And that is actually going to be the basis of this amethyst crystal. I wanted something a little bit sparkly, so I did grab another gel polish. This one is Daydream because it has like a little bit of gold shimmer in this, and I added this to the mix as well. Now, Shagadelic is a very thick consistency. I couldn't get it out, so I kind of had to smear it on to the palette. So even though it has a jelly translucent color, it's more on the syrupy kind of texture. It's much thicker than what a jelly gel polish would be, but I absolutely love these jelly colors that Madam Glam has. So to get started on applying this kind of marble look to the nail, I'm just going to go ahead and lightly mix the colors together. I don't want them to kind of mix and become a whole different color. I want them to still maintain their different colors, but look a bit more marbly. And that's basically how you're going to achieve a nice kind of crystal inspired look. Once I scoop this up with my little nail brush, then at an angle, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on to the nail. Now to the sides of the nails, there is going to be a little bit of pooling because we are using more than one coat of gel polish, but we'll address that in just a short bit. Once I have that first one on, now I'm going to go ahead and kind of go on top of that and just do another line onto this nail. And I'm going to leave a little bit of space in the center of these two lines because I am going to go in with a little bit of gold foil in that little negative space there. So you're just going to go ahead, scoop up a little bit more gel polish, and then do another line on top. So these nails are still wet. I have my gold flakes here, and now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the gold flakes into that negative spaced areas that we have on the nail. So it's going to be towards the center, and then also, you know, that little piece down at the end towards the tip of the nail, we're going to put some gold flakes there as well. Be careful whilst you are doing this because the gel polish is still wet. Okay, so we have our gold flakes on, and now I'm gonna try to blow on this. I've seen this little hack where people take a straw and they kind of just blow onto the marble, and it's supposed to be some kind of beautiful masterpiece art. I don't know. I need a little bit more dark colors into this marble just to create that amethyst, because you know amethyst has like light purple and also there's like darker parts of the crystal. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this jelly onto it just to give it a little bit of purpleness, and then we're going to try to blow on this and see if we could create some art. So you take your straw basically and you just blow, and and nothing really happening here. I mean, I blew in everything but the polish. Okay, so well, this is not working out well, is it? Okay, so don't worry about the straw part. So I'm just going to rub off any excess that I have here on the gel polish, because if you don't rub this off, then you might have a little bit of texture and a little bit of bumpiness because there is excess gel polish here. Once I am done wiping everything down, then I will go ahead and cure this under my UV lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so the nails are done curing and they are looking good. So now we need to add in a little bit of white to this just to make this a little bit more amethysty and not so marbly. So I'm going to take my white line art gel here. Just going to go ahead and just randomly place some lines on here. We're going to diffuse these lines in a little bit. We're going to take a nail art brush with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and we're going to diffuse them, make them a little bit less noticeable. Also, if you have like a white marble ink, white ink or something, you could also use that as well. I don't have any yet. Hopefully I'll get some very soon because I like how they look. So, but if you don't, you can just always draw the lines on and use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. So once you have finished smudging that first set of white lines, now you're just going to go in and place some white lines. Again, you need faded out white lines, and then you need stronger white lines, and that's just going to give that really realistic kind of crystal effect onto the nail design. Okay, so now finally we need to do a little bit of a purple border around this marble just to kind of create that outer amethyst layer. So I'm going to take the Shagadelic, which is this jelly translucent kind of syrupy kind of gel polish, and we're just going to draw lines on the outside area of the nail, the barrier of this nail. What we're going to do is we're going to take our line art brush and we're kind of fade that line out. So essentially you're going to make your amethyst kind of pop out onto your nail because we're on a brown kind of nude background. So we definitely want this amethyst just pop. So by adding this little border line of purple, it's just going to make it look really nice and realistic and stand out. Okay, so the nails are done, the gel polish I should say. So now I need to figure out before I add my top coat what kind of design I want to put on these nails. I do have these Zodiac stickers, I have these stars stickers, and then I have these kind of magical looking mermaid purple gemstones, and then I do have some rhinestones here, and these purple ones are so elegant and so pretty, so I thought maybe I could use that. So I just wanted to include like a little clip of how I kind of figure out what kind of rhinestones or what kind of designs I want to put on the nail. So usually I just take everything out, put it onto a table, and then I put it onto the nail before I put my rhinestone glue on, and just kind of visualize it before I finalize it. So I just wanted to show a little clip of, you know, what behind the scenes, how I try to figure out to, you know, bling out the nails. All right, so I think I am done putting on the stickers now. I feel satisfied. I don't want to do too much because it's going to distract away from the actual amethyst crystal. And we have a lot going on the other nails. So for these nails that are just the purple and plain, we're not going to do too much. So I'm going to go in with a layer of top gel over all of these nails and give them a final cure. And here is how the nails have turned out. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this fun tutorial. If you've never tried doing a amethyst kind of crystal nail design, I do hope you give it a try. Huge shout out to Jamie again for collaborating with me. Hop on over to her channel, guys, and I will see you in the next video.